How to search by invoice number in QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can search by invoice number in QuickBooks. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is signing into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see your account. That is your company's account here, and then you can see your dashboard, etc. Once you can see this, the next step is to use the search icon for you to search for an invoice by number in your QuickBooks desktop. The major way is by using the search icon. And then how can you locate the search icon? The search icon is located by the top right corner of the screen here. You can see the magnifying glass icon here. Then once you've seen it, just click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, you can see search tips, search for customers, suppliers, search by name, type, create etc. And then the next step here is to type out the invoice or transaction number into this box. Okay, then after typing it out, QuickBooks will display relevant results based on the invoice number. So far, I don't have any invoice on my account, so I cannot show you a vivid example. But just click on the magnifying glass icon in the search box, type out or paste the invoice transaction number, and then QuickBooks will settle the rest. So it's very simple. Ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching.